Welcome to my in-depth review of Pzizz, the app designed to help users improve their sleep, relaxation, and focus. This video will walk you through the Pzizz platform, providing you with a comprehensive understanding of how it works, its features, and whether it delivers on its promises. Pzizz focuses on combining neuroscience with audio technology to create unique soundscapes called dreamscapes. These soundscapes are designed to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed. It also offers modes for relaxation and focus, catering to users who need mental clarity during the day. The user interface of Pzizz is sleek and intuitive, making it easy to navigate for first-time users. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a simple dashboard that offers options for sleep, focus, and nap. Each mode allows you to customize your experience by adjusting settings such as session duration, volume, and voice guidance. One of the standout features is the personalization of soundscapes. This creates a randomized sequence of music and voiceovers every time you use it, ensuring that your brain doesn't become too familiar with the sound, which could reduce their effectiveness. For sleep mode, the app offers a mix of soothing sounds and voice guidance designed to lull you into deep rest. Nap mode provides shorter sessions to recharge your energy during the day, while focus mode uses stimulating yet calming soundscapes to enhance concentration. Pzizz also integrates with wearable devices to track your sleep patterns and progress over time. This can be particularly useful for users who want detailed insights into their sleep habits. However, there are some limitations. While the free version of Pzizz offers a decent amount of functionality, many of its best features are locked behind a premium subscription. Some users may also find the voiceovers in the soundscapes distracting rather than helpful. The app's success largely depends on individual preferences, as soundscapes might not resonate with everyone. Overall, Pzizz presents itself as a well-rounded app for those looking to optimize their sleep and productivity. Its combination of science-backed technology and user-friendly design makes it stand out, although it may not be a perfect fit for all. If you're considering trying it out, be prepared for some trial and error to find what works best for you. Make sure to stick around for the detailed walkthrough in this video to see the app in action. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you found it helpful.